Most people dream about becoming rich, but very few truly understand how wealth is created. Imagine a single circle representing $1 million. dollars. Now multiply it until it becomes 10 million, then 100 million, and eventually $1 billion. dollars. The scale becomes almost impossible to imagine. Some individuals, like Jeff Bezos, possess wealth worth many times over that amount. Meanwhile, the average person spends life working a regular job, struggling to pay bills, manage debt, and save enough money for the future. Many people feel trapped. They work hard, yet financial freedom still feels far away. Living expenses continue rising, wages often feel too small, and dreams like owning a luxury home, traveling the world, or retiring comfortably seem unrealistic. Over time, it becomes easy to believe the system is unfair, that only lucky people become wealthy. Some assume the rich inherited everything, manipulated the system, or simply had opportunities others never received. But wealth is not always random luck. There are patterns behind how money works, and understanding those patterns can completely change the way a person thinks about success. Most people are taught a very limited formula about money from childhood. Society tells us that the path to financial security is simple. Study hard, earn a degree, get a stable job, and work for decades. This creates a mindset where income is directly tied to employment. The problem is that jobs exchange time for money, and time is limited. Every person has only 24 hours in a day. If income depends entirely on hours worked, there is always a ceiling to how much can be earned. Even someone earning a decent hourly wage may spend decades trying to build significant wealth, and that's before taxes, inflation, and daily expenses reduce what they keep. This is why many self-made millionaires and billionaires follow a different approach. Instead of focusing only on earning money through labor, they focus on creating value at scale. In the modern economy, people are rewarded based on the value they provide to others. Athletes, entertainers, inventors, and entrepreneurs earn large amounts because millions of people value what they produce. The market decides value. If millions of people are willing to pay for something, the creator of that solution can earn enormous rewards. Hard work alone is not enough. Someone doing exhausting physical labor may still earn less than a skilled professional because the market sees their work differently. The real key is solving problems that matter to many people. Every successful business exists because it fixes a problem. Amazon simplified shopping and delivery. Google organized information for the internet. Facebook connected people globally. These companies became valuable because they made life easier for millions of users. The bigger the problem, the bigger the opportunity. Instead of constantly chasing money, successful people often focus on identifying frustrations and creating solutions. They pay attention to what people complain about, what wastes time, and what services are missing. Then they build systems, products, or businesses that improve those situations. Another important factor is scalability. A person working alone can only earn so much because their time is limited. But a scalable business can serve thousands or even millions of customers without requiring equal increases in effort. Software, online platforms, digital products, and automated systems allow ideas to grow beyond the limits of one individual's time. For example, teaching one student in person earns limited income. Creating an online course that thousands of people can access anytime creates a scalable source of income. A physical store serves one location, while an online platform can reach customers around the world. Automation and delegation also matter. Businesses become more powerful when systems operate efficiently, without requiring the owner to manage every detail personally. Hiring skilled people, building processes, and using technology can multiply results. Eventually, many entrepreneurs either continue growing their companies or sell them. Some of the world's biggest fortunes came from acquisitions and investments. Instagram was purchased for billions because of the massive value it created for users. Businesses become valuable assets when they solve problems effectively at scale. But the desire for wealth is usually not just about money itself. Money is simply a tool that gives people choices. What most people truly seek is freedom. Freedom from financial stress, freedom to spend time with family, freedom to travel, create, and live life without constantly worrying about survival. At its core, the real lesson is about time. Time is the one resource nobody can recover once it is gone. People must decide whether they want to spend their lives trapped in routines they dislike or working toward building something meaningful and valuable. Success is never guaranteed. Many people fail, quit, or lose motivation along the way. Building wealth requires patience, learning, discipline, and persistence. But understanding the principle behind wealth creation changes everything. People who create valuable solutions for large numbers of others are often rewarded the most. So instead of obsessing over money itself, focus on identifying problems, creating solutions, improving value, and building systems that can grow. That is how many fortunes are built, and that is the foundation behind modern wealth creation.